Okay. Good morning. Today we are going to do the experiment, that is determination of phase and line quantities in star and delta connected load. First we'll start with star connected load. In this, apparatus required are, we need voltmeter, 2 voltmeters, because we have to measure both phase quantity and line quantity. So 2 voltmeters and 2 ammeters, one auto transformer and resistive load bank. So resistive load, because it is the unity power factor, that's why we are using resistive load. And already you know, you have studied in theory, for 3-phase star connected load, voltage varies, that is VL is equal to root 3 times V phase, or V phase equals VL by root 3. Okay, so coming to the connection, input supply consists of R, Y, B and N. This is direct supply. This one we have to give for auto transformer. Since we have to vary the voltage, we are using auto transformer. From R point of the supply, we are giving to R of the auto transformer. That is down, you can observe. Input is down, output is up. Then Y. Y should come to Y, down part, you can see here, input it has mentioned. And you have to use long wires. B should come to B. And neutral, since it is a star connection, neutral connection will be there. So give neutral to neutral. So input connection is over. Now we have to start with output connection of the auto transformer. That is from R should go to ammeter. That is line ammeter. Voltmeter will connect later. R should go to ammeter. Again long wire. Long. Ammeter other end line, because between line it is going. Ammeter other end should go to U1. That is top of this load, resistive load. U1, V1, W1, U2, V2, W2. So top of the load, that is ammeter should go. Then from Y, input Y should go to, directly it should go to V1. Next B. This B, small variable, small. This W1 should go to this B. Directly you can repeat this W1 to B. You can see the structure diagram. This B is going to the W1. Directly it is going. Now we have to connect down part of this voltmeter, small wires. That is one big wire you have to take. Big wire. Big wire. From down hard, you have to short this, you know. This 3 points should short and it should go to neutral point. Since I need a phase ammeter, and from U I am giving ammeter, because since it is in series, so not a problem, phase should come. So I am giving there. At that point I am giving to V1. This 3 anyhow it is short. To ammeter I am shorting, that's it. Like instead of right shorting I am giving to ammeter. This I am shorting. Then W2 should go to this shorting point. V2, W2 you have to short. So that this shorted point should go to neutral. Any point you can connect. I am connecting it to U. You can see here, this is connected to U. Now voltmeter record. I have to connect it for voltmeter. So first line was R and Y. So this should come to R plus R and Y. And one more should go to Y. Across R and Y will be the line voltage. Now we go for phase voltage. From B, down B. Output side you have to take, not from the input side. Sorry. From B, it should go to B phase. And the other one, directly you can connect here. Since it is going to neutral, this one I will connect. Between one line with the neutral, we will call it as phase voltage. Between two lines, we will call it as line voltage. One more time, I will start with the connections. First, anyhow, these are the input supply. This should directly give for this input, that is down R to R, and yellow Y to Y, and blue, that is B to B, and neutral black. Black neutral, you can see neutral to neutral I have done. Then we'll go for this one ammeter connection. From output auto transformer you have to take it. R is going to IL, you can see R is going to IL, and other end is going to ammeter is going to U1. Then this V1 directly you have to give for this V1. Y should go to V1 and B should go to W. Next, phase current. Again, these three you have to short in star. These 2, 3. Secondary side should short and should come to neutral. So instead of direct shorting, I am shorting through ammeter. It acts as a phase. So U2 is going to ammeter, phase ammeter. Ammeter other end is coming to V2, and V2 to W2 I have shorted, and this shorted point I have given to neutral. Well, coming to a voltmeter, line voltmeter between R and Y of the output. So R is going to VL, and other end Y is going to other point of the VL, because always across we have to connect the voltmeter. So across R and Y I have connected line voltmeter. Well, coming to phase, one line with respect to neutral we have to connect. So I am taking B. Already across R and Y I have connected one voltmeter, so I am taking B. This B is connecting to P phase, and other point I am connecting to neutral. Now we will start with the experiment. In total you have to take 4 readings. You have to switch on from the back, so the supply will come here. Now it is switched on. So supplies came here. Then we have to switch on this. Then power will come here. Then we have to give voltage 400 volts or 450 volts is the rated voltage, but we can give up to 400 volts as a line voltage. You have to observe VL. Yes, this is almost 450 volts VL. Then we can apply one load. So VL is, you can take here, VL is 415 volts. We can observe VL is 415, it is fluctuating, let it be 415, and V phase is 251. Practical values you have to take, and IL is 0.33, and I phase is almost equal, 0.33, you can check. Better you take equal values, because IL equals I phase in star. Then we have to apply one more load. So voltage is almost 414 VL, and this one is 250, and current it is increasing, you can see 0.67 and 0.69. Small variation will come, not a problem. 0.67 and 0.69. Okay, we'll put one more load. Voltage you can see it is reducing, 413 here, 249. Current 1 amps, 1.01, and this is almost 1.06. Let it be increasing, 1.01, 1.06. Next, one more load. Voltage is almost 412, 248. Current 1.34 and 1.42. Small variation will come because of the windings. We'll go for one more time the readings. First reading we got 415 volts. Phase as 251, 0.33 and 0.33, both the current same value we got. Second reading, one more load if we apply, 414 volts, 250, 0.67, 0.69. Third reading 439, 413 volts, 249, 1.09, 1.06. 412, 248, 1.34 and 1.42 as the readings. You have to calculate theoretical value. Once you have done the experiment, you have to reduce the load. Then you have to reduce the auto transformer. Then you have to switch off. Then you have to switch off both the sides. Then remove the connection.